All right, guys, we got a 2010 GMC Sierra 5.3. Factory cats there, and there. Then factory 3-inch pipe. Then we put a Cherry Bomb Extreme right there. Part number 7427CB. Be a link in the description. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent out each side there and right there. And then we complemented them with 3.5-inch angle cut tips. He didn't want the large stuff, so we just put them nice size tips just to fit the truck there and there. There's the Cherry Bomb, and there's the muffler and tailpipe we cut off right there. This is what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2010 GMC Sierra SLE. Your sound decibels. Again, right at 100. Got a nice idle to it too, nice and deep. That's not bad. Cherry Bomb Extreme. What you guys hear on the inside? Cherry Bomb Extreme cherries. Yeah, that sounds good.